If you think a slow cooker is only good for leaving a stew on low all day, this one might surprise you. The West Bend Versatility Cooker isn't just a slow cooker. It can move from stovetop to oven to table, and it even gives you a griddle for quick meals. The 5-quart West Bend Versatility Cooker is designed for home cooks who want one appliance that can handle everything from slow-cooked dinners to pancakes and grilled cheese. Its cooking vessel has a non-stick interior and is designed for use on the stovetop, in the oven, refrigerator, freezer, and top rack dishwasher. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The design is more versatile than a traditional crock pot because the cooking vessel itself is removable and can be used beyond slow cooking. That means you aren't necessarily transferring food from one pot to another when a recipe starts on the stovetop and finishes slowly. For busy cooks, fewer dishes and fewer transfers can make a surprisingly big difference. The 5-quart capacity is also a useful middle ground. It's large enough for family dinners, soups, chili, stews, and meals for a small gathering, but it doesn't feel like one of those oversized slow cookers that only makes sense when you're feeding a crowd. The non-stick interior should also make serving and cleanup easier, especially with foods that would normally cling to the bottom. One of the more unusual features is the included griddle base. Instead of treating the appliance as a one-purpose slow cooker, you can use the base for foods like pancakes and grilled cheese. That won't replace a dedicated stovetop griddle for everyone, but it does make the appliance more useful for quick meals. The glass lid is another practical feature. Because it's transparent and heat-resistant, you can check on your food without constantly lifting the lid and releasing heat. That's helpful when you're trying to monitor a recipe without interrupting the cooking process. For slow cooking, the real benefit is convenience. You can prepare a meal, set the temperature, and let the cooker handle the long cooking process while you take care of other things. The variable temperature control also gives you more flexibility than a basic slow cooker with only a couple of preset modes. And then there's the travel side. The included insulated tote and travel cover make it much easier to take a finished dish to a family gathering, potluck, or party. Instead of trying to balance a hot, uncovered casserole in a car, you have a setup specifically designed for transportation. There are a few limitations worth knowing. This isn't the smallest appliance for a tiny kitchen, and its versatility means you may need to learn which part of the system to use for different cooking tasks. Also, while the non-stick surface is convenient, you'll still want to treat it carefully and follow the manufacturer's care instructions to preserve it. Compared with a conventional slow cooker from brands like Crock, the West Bend's biggest advantage is flexibility. A traditional slow cooker may be simpler if you only want slow cooking, while this model makes more sense if you value stovetop cooking, griddling, oven use, and portability in one system. For someone building a versatile kitchen, that extra functionality can justify choosing it over a basic crock pot. Overall, the West Bend Versatility Cooker is best for people who want more from a slow cooker than simply setting it and walking away. The 5-quart capacity, removable cooking vessel, griddle base, variable heating, glass lid, and travel accessories make it genuinely multifunctional. If you're looking for one appliance that can handle slow dinners and more, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if this review helped you, like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.